Hi, my name is Pete, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be practicing BaDuanJin Zhang Gong, the 8 Brocades, using internal Qi to strengthen the outer body. Just starting with your feet together, taking a few deep breaths in your lower abdomen. Starting to turn your attention inwards and sinking your energy to your center. And releasing, opening your feet out to shoulder width. And to begin, pulling down the heavens, breathing in and breathing out, sinking back down. And keeping your palms face down, moving your hands to the side of your body. Your middle finger pointing to the outside of your leg. And breathing out, releasing your shoulders down. And releasing, going to lower, embrace the tree. For the start of the session, clearing stagnant Qi out of your organs. No frustration from your gallbladder meridian around your ears. Breathing out, releasing. Breathing in, connecting to the yang energy, opening a window to the heavens. Breathing out, connecting to the yin energy of the earth, pulling it up. Breathing in, turn your hands, and release. Sink back down to your lower dantian. And for the first form for our triple warmer, interlocking your fingers, breathing up from your lower abdomen all the way up through your shoulders, elbows, to your hands. And breathing out, sinking back down, energy returning to your lower dantian. Just taking a few breaths here. Body filling up with air and with Qi. And releasing, breathing out, going back to our transition, balancing yin and yang. Breathing in, and releasing, breathing out, sinking down. Connecting to yang and connecting to yin. And combining yin and yang in your body. And now pulling the bowstring to the left. Breathing in. Tensing your ligaments with the in-breath. Relaxing with the out-breath. One more time here. And releasing the arrow. Opening out to the side and breathing out, sinking down. And pulling the bow to the right hand side. Also one more time. And releasing the arrow. Sinking back down. For our transition. Gathering old stagnant chi. And releasing it back to the earth. Taking in new energy from the heavens and from the earth. And the third main form, lifting the pot with one hand, left hand carrying on upwards, right hand face down, similar to separating heaven and earth. Breathing out, energy returns to your lower dantian, and breathing in, reaching out to the palms of your hands. One more time on this side. And breathing out, sinking back down, lowering your left hand and the other side. And the right hand holding the pot above your head. Sinking back down on this side. And our yin-yang intermission. And transition to the next section of this form. Carrying the sword on your shoulder, placing one hand on your lower back, the other hand with the palm upwards, rotating behind you. With the in-breath growing upwards and wringing out your entire spine. Breathing out, coming back to the center, switching hands, and turning to the other side. Returning to the center here and transitioning to the next section. Now to catch and release the monkey, breathing in, gathering your energy, making fists under your armpits and breathing out. Breathing in, gathering and releasing. And breathing in, releasing back down. And before going into our transition, and moving on to crouching tiger, opening your lower back and backs of your hamstrings. Breathing in, stretching upwards, breathing out along your body down to the floor. And the straight legs, breathing into your lower back, opening. And breathing out, relaxing, bending your knees slightly, just to release any pressure. Turning your hands, going back up slowly, breathing in straight into our transition. And the next form, flying like the swallow, hands face downwards, breathing in, opening your ribs, and staying in the position, just releasing tension. It's like your arms are rising up and down, slight wave movement through your body, like the wings of a bird. Releasing back down. Transitioning to the next form. And for this last section, breathing out, keeping the palms of your hands facing downwards, bringing the horse to a stop, coming up onto the balls of your feet, breathing out, stamping down. Breathing in, rising up. And this time, our transition, closing the practice Once again, balancing yin and yang in our bodies and our mind. Sinking back down to your lower dantian. And once again, pulling down the heavens to close this practice. Placing both hands over your lower dantian. Bring your feet together. As we begin, just enjoying a few deep breaths, feeling the energy in your center moving through your body. Like bamboo in the wind, gently swaying and circulating your chi throughout your body. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope to see you again soon. And if you like what you saw, subscribe.